Hello traders, welcome back to weekly Forex forecasting. Last week, as you know, we had ECB and Federal Reserve rising interest rate. I'm going to show you in today's video why dollar pairs are back on the table heading into the next week as we have good opportunities. First of all, pay attention to the economic calendar next week as we have interest rate decision out of Australia, very important to the Audi pairs. Of course, we will look at them in today's video. Another important news that we have is interest rate decision out of UK on Thursday and non-farm payrolls on Friday. So if we start our analysis for this week, we will start for the dollar. As you know, guys, dollar last week was a bullish market, as you can see here for the whole structure. And when we look for 1 day time frame, we can see that dollar was a bullish market. And now this week we are expecting that, as you can see here, we have large momentum here and we are expecting another downtrend. So if dollar make here for corrective, then guys, we are expecting another impulse for bullish market. So that means, in my opinion, this week dollar will remain bullish, so maybe it can reach up to this level area. Next is Euro USD, guys. Euro USD also is, you know, that is the opposite of dollar, and last week, of course, Euro USD was a bearish market. So if we look the structure that Euro USD is making right now, we can see that it touched this below area and now is the same as dollar. So that means, again, guys, now we can see here for impulse, then we are expecting also corrective here. So, and then maybe Euro USD will reach and will form large correction here. So of course this week Euro USD again also we are expecting in bearish to remain a bearish market, even though, guys, as you know, we have non-farm payment rule on Friday. So before that, guys, we will look for the structure of Euro USD. Only we can analyze Euro USD because it's same as is the opposite of dollar. So guys, another pairs that I want to share with you in this week that I see really a good opportunity is Euro NZD. As you can see here, now after this large impulse, now it's in large correction. So guys, what we are expecting in this week for Euro NZD is that we are expecting, guys, for this low to be tested again. And this, guys, as you see here, the momentum that happened here, price is price most of the time, and we should be anticipating this come down, in my opinion. So guys, even if we look for 4-hour time frame, we, as you see here, we have double top here and the price, and here we have a large ascending channel, and then and again we are waiting another movement for down. So of course I'm expecting Euro USD to reach, guys, these lows here, and is around 700 pip. So we will see how it performs this week. Another pair that I want to show you, guys, is Euro AUD. Guys, as you know, we have AUD interest rate coming on Tuesday morning. In my opinion, this pair we can just look for two things. As you can see here, of course, we have a strong sell area here. So maybe euro NZD can reach up to this double top. So if before the interest rate news, if euro NZD, if euro AUD reach this area, guys, we are expecting euro NZD to be a bearish market as well this week. But for me, I think euro will reach to this level area, because here also we have a strong as you can see, it rejected many times for this trend line. So we are expecting this time the third to touch here, whether it is a corrective or, and then we are expecting another. So we will just look euro AUD before the news. This pair is really giving gold structure up to 300 pips. We will see how it performs as well. Another pair, guys, I want to show you is AUD CAD. AUD CAD, now it reached this double bottom, as you can see here. So when we look for 1 hour time frame, now the market is in a correction. It's a corrective way. So one more time, if it's pull back, then we are expecting for another downtrend here. And also during before the news, if AUD CAD reach this double bottom, guys, again this pair will be a bullish market this week as well. So it can reach up to level this area. So we will just look how it comes to this double bottom, because this is a strong pie area, as you can see here, before it can reach up to 300 pips. Also, guys, this is another golden opportunity, which is GBP AUD. If we look together, GBP AUD and euro AUD, they kind of make in the same structure, because this one is also heading to this double top. And as you can see here, guys, here is a strong sell area, as you can see in for our time frame. So now if GBP AUD reach this double bottom before the news as well, so that means we will sell this up to this area, and then we are expecting another downtrend. Just we will look the structure how it forms before the interest rate news. But in my opinion, guys, this is the same as a euro AUD. So if it goes corrective here, then we are just waiting a little impulse and another correction, then we will sell euro GBP AUD up to this area, which is around as well 500 pips. So we will see how it performs as well. Last but not least, guys, we will look together for gold. Gold, as you know, last week it was a bearish market as well, but now if we check together how it forms here, we can see that after this large impulse, now the price is in a corrective way. So what I'm expecting as well for gold to reach this level, guys. So if gold reach this level, that means again gold will be a bearish market as well. So we are waiting another downtrend, guys. I'm expecting gold to reach these level areas, but this week, as we said, dollar will be a bullish market, so that means gold as well can be so we will see how it performs gold when it reaches to these level areas. Guys, that's it for me today. I just wanted to share with you these pairs that I'm expecting that they can offer a really good opportunity for this coming week. Of course, if you have any questions, you can reach up to our Telegram channel, and always we are sharing there for free signals as well, so you can benefit for our signals.